Okay, we got 4 kind of drinks here. Coke, Canada Dry, ginger ale.
Wait.
Oops. No, I don't want that.
Yep.
Okay, you can bring it anyways. Sierra Mist, Diet.
And this.
Canada Dry, Diet Coke, and Sharps Miller. I think that's not going to do anything.
Woohoo!
Blow 'em up.
Time to move out. I've got one too.
Wait, there's people coming.
Wait, there's people coming.
It's fine, just keep videoing.
Okay.
So now it's Diet Coke.
So now, putting these in the ground. Woo! The gumball machine. Jack's the gumball machine. Woo!
Wow. Okay, that's going to really be tough.
Oh my gosh, that's shaking up. It sounds like a firework. Wow!
Oh my god. It's split in 2 pieces.
Yeah. Yo, bro. Here's a sharp.
Here, look at this. Broken 2 pieces.
Broken in 2
Oh,
pieces.
Oh, here, let's see the Sharps now.
Non-alcoholic beer.
Stand next to that, get a better view of it.
Sharp.
Okay, this is going to be really shaking up.
Woo!
This is what happens every time it starts spraying.
Chuck it. It's like a firework.
Oh, that's cool.
Do you see that?
Here, get another one ready.
Sierra, we'll save the best for last.
What?
Sierra Mist. Sierra Mist is the best.
So it broke in 2 places. Because here's where it started spraying the first time a little bit, and then here's where it went boom.
Let's save the best for last.
Okay, here.
Ground. Look at the streets, though.
Yeah.
That's
We're leaving anyways in like a few minutes, so.
and we're leaving in a few minutes for Cancun, bro. Oh.
Be a good one.
Oh! Ah!
Wait, it's still going.
Still going.
Oh, this is the first time I've seen it do this.
Let me see.
That's where it hits it. It like split right down the middle. Okay, let's
Dude.
do
No,
3 at a
dude.
time. We're gonna
No.
do 3 at a time, yeah.
Okay. Woohoo! 3 at a time. You're not going to be able to throw them up that high.
Yeah, Mitch, just stand back so you can film them all.
It's been 3 minutes so far. Are you going to put this on YouTube? And cut off the sound?
Can you watch?
Yep. Oh, triple. Oh my gosh. Oh.
Oh, there's still one that didn't go yet.
There's still one that didn't go.
Wow, this one is so bad.
Is that the Canada Dry?
Yeah, look. It like bulged in both places. Oh yeah, it's going.
Oh. Oh, that's a goner.
Okay, I'm changing.
Woo!
It's in my hair too. Turn it off. Turn